Kart6T3, I guess. What's that? Why is there no topic on the board? What is going on here? What's wrong? What is going on, everyone? And welcome to Kart6T3, now brought to you by TrackTac Tire Products. Yeah, finally, the announcement has been made. A couple weeks ago on the Four Takes and Fuel podcast that I was on, I did make the announcement that TrackTac was coming on board the channel. It's kind of been a dream of mine. I've been looking for a channel sponsor, somebody that, you know, I could promote, and I had no problem promoting their products. As you know, you might know, I mean, I did a whole series on TrackTac products, and now I have a couple more that I can add to that series. But I reached out to Randy Ransom. He's been a friend of mine for many, many years. I think after lengthy conversations, we figured out I've been using some type of TrackTac products since 2007. That is almost since the beginning of the company. I believe that was 05 or 06, somewhere in there. I started using Orange in 07 for definite, and have used them right along except for 1 year. We're not going to talk about that year. Just wasn't good. So I came right back to what I know, and I've been with them ever since. So I've been on TrackTac products for quite a while, and I know many of you are. And even if you run a competitor's brand, there are a couple products, maybe Orange, maybe Black Sand in your repertoire of tire props. Even if you're running that other brand, you may have some TrackTac in the trailer, and that is awesome. We welcome all here. So, what does this mean to you? What does, hey, Ben, you do great. I think it's fantastic that Ben has a channel sponsor and we get to see TrackTac products and he gets to talk about what does it mean to you, the viewer? Well, that means that, as always, if you have a question about anything TrackTac related, point it this way. My DMs are always open. You can send me an email. All the information is in the drop-down menu on every one of these videos as usual. And honestly, if I don't have an answer for you, I know the people that will have an answer for you, and I can get that answer. Now, some questions are going to be unanswerable, but for the most part, I will never lead you astray. I will always try and point you in the right direction. I may not have the most experience with a certain type of prop, and I'm not going to push that on you like, hey, try this one, because I've never run it. But the ones that I'm sure of, the ones that I'm testing, that I'm going to be using, you know, to see what they do, I'll most definitely give you reports on that, you know, let you know, hey, you wipe of this, wipe of that. Also, if you see me at track, I got a big banner that when I put up my canopy, I'm going to be putting up the TrackTac banner. Come over, say hello. Any at track assistance I can possibly give you, I probably will have extra prep. So if you're running low on TrackTac products, if you want to give something a try, if you've heard good things about, hey, maybe maybe SAA grape, it's colder out, maybe I could give a wipe to that. Come over, talk to me. I probably am going to have some spare with me that, I'm not your personal supply, so you still have to buy the products. But I'm saying, to get you by in a pinch, if you want to test the products at track, I happen to be there. Come over, give me a shout. You know, say hello, and maybe I might bring a sticker or two with me. Maybe if you're running TrackTac stuff, I might be able to fashion you a sticker. I got a roll sitting right there, but I can't thank Randy, Chris Harris enough. Both of them. Fantastic people. Anytime I've ever reached out to Chris, he's actually at the TrackTac headquarters there and takes phone calls, places orders. He's also a awesome tire guru. Anytime I've had any question about stuff that I wasn't sure of, I was able to call TrackTac. I was able to message or anything else Chris, and he got the answer for me. And I hope to just be an extension of that. I do love this company. I use their products. You know, there's no facade here that, you know, I'm just a paid shill or something like that. You can see by this channel, by my repertoire. Look if you can see there, TrackTac. If you can see that one that says TrackTac on it, I have been using the products for a long time. I stand behind the products. I think they're wonderful. Are there a lot of them? Yes. It's one of the most comprehensive systems out there, but does that mean that you need to run all of them at all times? No, absolutely not. pick your favorites and just run those. That is a very real possibility. So, like I said, guys, I'm super excited to be on the TrackTack team. I'll try and do my best to be on the Facebook page. If you have a question, drop it there. I'll bounce over there. If I can help at all, I'll answer your questions there. I want this company to continue to do well, to continue to help the racers, to continue to build speed on track, because they are great people. And I can't thank them enough for having me on board, being a channel and a Kart sponsor, because obviously they're going on my Kart and I'm going to be racing with their products. Just won this past weekend. It was really cold out. SAA great. Came in a pinch, didn't it? Worked just fine during the feature. So there you go, guys. Just a short kind of welcome to the Kart6T3 family type of thing for TrackTack. I really do hope that you consider TrackTack products. If you have any questions about the products, where you might get some, you can go ahead, give TrackTack a call. Like I said, you can get a hold of me anytime. My email is open, kart6t3@gmail.com. That is there. Messenger, the Facebook page, that's open. Shoot me a message. If you have questions about the products, if I can get you an answer, I will do that for you. But thank you very much for TrackTack, for coming on board this channel. I can't thank you enough, along with all of my subscribers, anybody who watches videos. Thank you all so much for the support. It's great. It's just, this is a great day. This is a great day. So, guys, I will see you in the next video, and keep going fast, man. Later.